How to change currency in Turkish Airlines. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to change currency in Turkish Airlines. So first just head over to your Turkish Airlines website and simply search in for, let's say I want to book from Istanbul to Thailand, somewhere near Thailand airport, and I will simply select the date from over here and choose the number of passengers and search for the flights. And once you're inside here, you just have to wait for a few seconds. And here currently it is showing me in the TRY rupees or TRY currency. So I'll simply select on this select currency, and to convert currency I will just choose the currency which I want. So it's currently on Turkish lira. You can always calculate the number of currency using the current status of that particular currency. So you can also actually choose a different country for different currency as well. So it's based on the country you choose, the currency it shows. So you can always come back to that currency option, and we can similarly convert the particular currency just like we did in the first part of the video. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.